Hi guys, this is Jasmine with Realtor. Today I'm going to show you a luxury brand new townhouse community located at Highland Park, New Jersey. This house located at quiet and safe street. The design is truly remarkable inside and out. Its high ceiling provides plenty of natural lighting. The unit I'm showing you now has a 3 bedrooms, 3 full baths. Total living square footage is 1,626. Features includes hardwood floor, brand new cabinet, custom-made kitchen island, stainless appliance, and this unit includes 1-car garage as well. Let's check out the second floor bedrooms. It has 1 master suite and 2 bedrooms with another full bathroom. Laundry machine hookup is located at second floor as well for your convenience. This townhouse has fantastic location. It is very close to train station, school, Rutgers University, Robert Wood Johnson Hospital, schools, and a park. This house is sure to go fast, and it's hard to list all the indoor and outdoor features of this stunning home. Schedule a tour today and feel free to give me a call, and I'll be more than happy to show you in person. And if you like this video, please subscribe and share our YouTube channel. And I'm looking forward to sharing more housing information with you. Follow us on Facebook and Twitter. See you next time.